Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro. And to do this, we'll need to find the slot on this device, and it's on the bottom right here. We'll need to remove the cover and then take a needle from the box and stick it in the gap right here. It should release the slot, and if we remove it, there's a SIM number 1 right here and a SIM number 2 right here. So that confirms it. This device does have the dual SIM slot, but the second one is also SD card slot, so I think it will need to sacrifice SD card for the SIM slot, second SIM card. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.